Hi friends, let me show you this new BlackSmith document box or briefcase. This briefcase, this document box is fireproof. It's heat proof up to 2400 Fahrenheit degrees, and it's waterproof. So you can put documents or other accessories, articles in it, and they will be really protected. Let me show you first the size. So convenient, really useful. It has a lock here. It has a lock that helps you with your documents privacy. Okay. And it has 4 different sections in it. Okay, first, these mesh bags for quick to grab articles like your passport, your keys. Then you have this zippered section for documents and files. You get 16 different sections, and you also get this filing system so you can code your storage system as you wish. Okay, let me show you. You can put here your documents, your different files, and they will be securely inside. Then you have this section for up to 16 cards, credit cards, passport or Visa cards, any kind of card that you want to protect in your document box, and pens, some other mesh small bags like this. Okay, and then you have a general space here where you can put your computer, your laptop, your iPad, any kind of equipment that you want to keep inside. So whenever you are ready, this box is really useful for traveling. When you travel, you will have your documents safe from any weather condition, from rain, from snow, and if some emergency happens, this box is fireproof, so you will be safely having your documents, cards, and some other accessories securely stored away. So if you travel a lot, if you want to have a briefcase with all your stuff, but also being comfortable because it's everything safe, this is a great option. Here you even have a user manual, how to change the lock combination and everything in this user manual. Thank you.